Hi guys, welcome back to just a quick little video here. This was a test that we had the other day, a real driving test. There was no minor faults at all. There was just two faults recorded. Unfortunately, they were both serious. So because there's not a lot to show in this video, I'm going to make it quite quick and just jump forward to where the first fault happened. Now, this is a 60 mile an hour road. We're coming down a hill. You can see the speed of the car down the bottom there, around about 40. Now, there's a bend coming up here. It's quite a big bend. You can see there's other cars coming towards us as well. Now, look, the speed of the car here, 40 miles an hour. That's too high. That has to be coming right down. The examiner actually puts the brakes on. Watch the speed come right down here. So there's the first fault of today. Examiner had to brake because the speed was too high coming into a bend. Now if we skip forward, we've got the opposite problem here. We're coming along a road where we've got a 30 miles an hour limit. You can see the flashing temporary 20 miles an hour sign we're about to enter now. So the speed limit changes to 20 maximum and the learner speed is down at 20 or under. Now the problem here is when you're down at 20, because it's told you to be down at 20, you've got to be looking out for the sign that tells you that it's over, that it's finished, it's time to come back up to the normal speed limit. Unfortunately, the learner missed this. I'm just going to show you where it is in the video. It's over there to the right hand side. That is where you need to be getting the speed back up to 30 miles an hour. So 30 is the limit. Have a look at the speed down the bottom. We're stuck at 20 as a maximum, and look, we've got someone at the back. So because there was a car behind us, that was marked as the second serious fault. So guys, just a quick one today showing those two faults. It's such a shame. That was it. Other than that, it would have been a clean sheet pass. Hopefully this has been a wee bit of help, and I'm sure the person from this video will get it next time. Thank you guys.